Hey friends, if Screensaver is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. Now there could be two reasons for it. The first one is that the Screensaver is not enabled itself, and the second one is that the Screensaver is enabled, but the power settings state that the Screensaver will not work to save power. So here's what you can do. First of all, search for Screensaver and click on change Screensaver, and then make sure that it's not at none, it's at something else like bubbles, and the wait time isn't too long. Let's make it 2 minutes maximum, and then hit enter. Okay, and after that simply reset the power settings. Other websites say that we need to make sure that this power setting is right, this power setting is right, but there's so many that you cannot even remember them. So here's a simple solution. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command powercfg.cpl and hit enter. Now click on change plan settings, click on restore default settings, click on yes. That's it. It will fix the problem, and if it doesn't, just restart the computer and check the difference. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.